Pi Network released a brand new update yesterday about your verification, two-factor authentication. So whether you have already migrated your Pi Network to mainnet or you are still struggling with the verification so that you'll be able to migrate to mainnet, Pi Network just made it very easy. And they are continuously reminding this again, as it be. So now is actually the time. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how you can do your two-factor authentication on Pi Network right now, the easiest new way you can do it. So even if you do not have that option or the pop-up message to do the two-factor authentication, this is the new update of how you can do it. You start by clicking your Pi Network app and then you get to this page right here. Then you click mainnet checklist. You see what they wrote here. Look at this so that you know it will not last for long. Mainnet checklist reminder. That's why I decided to come immediately so that you will not miss this information in case you've not heard it though. Now you click on the mainnet checklist. You see, even though I have already migrated my Pi balance, but you see right here that everybody must do this so that you'll be able to claim your Pi totally. Now you say confirm your Pi wallet, your confirm wallet address, and then they gave option for you to start. Just click on this message or the start icon beside it so that you do your two-factor authentication. Now it says confirm your Pi wallet, manually unlock the wallet using your passphrase to demonstrate you can access it. You get, so they want only the eligible owner in case of those that their passphrase was stolen by somebody or the rest of that. So what you just do, enter your 12-word passphrase. So the moment you are done with that, click on confirm your wallet. An email is sent to the email address that you connected to Pi Network. But there's something I'll tell you after now, so pay attention. You just go ahead. You see the email just came into mind, so you copy the code in the email address that you link to Pi and head back to that message and then you paste it there. So now it says verification successful, but there's something you must not do because this looks attractive. It says here, made a mistake. You know what that means? Yeah, so please don't mistakenly touch this button because you didn't make a mistake. Simply go back one bit. So now you just did your Pi Network two-factor authentication. It's just as simple as this, no long talk or process. Ensure to hit the thumbs up, click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the next upload I'll make in this regard. Okay, in case you didn't see my hand, the reason I was looking down is because I was looking at my phone screen like what you've been seeing me do. Yeah, however it goes, I really wish you the best in all of this.